Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you how my mom makes her homemade cheese. It's very good and you can eat it with anything for breakfast or whatever else you might be craving. So first you're going to add a lot of whole milk to a pot, and my mom says that in the step you can either keep the heat high and consistently stir the milk, or you can put the heat very low and leave it alone. And obviously this will take longer, but you can minimize the risk of the milk burning. So that's what we usually do. But if you're short on time, then keep it high and keep monitoring it. So yeah, you also need to add a little bit of white vinegar or something sour. My mom says lemon also works. So add some white vinegar if you can. It should start forming all the cheese at the top. Then she's just using a regular kitchen towel and she's scooping all of the cheese that formed on the top into a bowl or into a strainer, or that is in a bowl that has a paper towel inside of it. So yes, scrape all of that off as much as you can and allow the strainer to strain all of the excess milk that's left over. Now she adds a little bit of salt and she pats it down. Next, she takes a straining bag and she'll place once again more of all of the pieces of cheese at the top of your milk in the pot. Let that sit for a little bit. And once it's been straining, take it out and place it into a bowl. You can mash it up with a fork like this. Also, you can honestly leave it like this in the bag and mash it up with the fork if you want to use this inside of a pastry, or if you want to come out like a nice cheese block, you could do what my mom did here, when she just pat it down and left it in the bowl, and then you flip it on top of another surface. You can cut it and it's perfect to enjoy like a nice round of cheese. So that's it. We hope you enjoy and happy cheesing. Bye!